Welcome back to the Jestic Test Kitchen. Today what we're going to be doing in the Vitamix Vita-Prep 3 is a mayonnaise. So we're going to start off by taking 6 egg yolks, throwing those in there. We're going to take 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and then a teaspoon of Dijon. Pop the lid on and then we're going to set it to number 3. We're going to then take our neutral oil and slowly pour it into the machine. It's important to do it slowly to make sure that the oil emulsifies. But you can see it's already thickening up. Pinch of salt. And then what we're left with is a beautiful mayonnaise. If you'd like to come and have a go on the Vitamix, get in contact with us at info@jestic.co.uk. We'll be able to organise that for you.